Here is where the fun starts. Now that we have a digital model of our production environment that is a little more realistic, let's say that we need to achieve a target throughput of 1,000 units per day. Based upon the simulation that we just ran, we know that we are currently at 829 units. Our first thought may be that additional equipment may be required in order to achieve the target of 1,000 units. So let's take a look and see if that is accurate. Since we already have our existing model built, all we need to do is duplicate it and make the proposed changes. Here, we'll simply create a window of the existing model using Ctrl-C to copy it and then Ctrl-V to paste a new copy. Now I just drag the new copy down a bit to give it some space of its own within our worksheet. Okay, now we can quickly add 2 additional single proc objects and connect them to our existing model. So did we achieve our target? Let's run the simulation and see. We'll click the Run button and open the drain of our experimental line. Select the type statistics, and lo and behold, we have a throughput of 1,456 parts now, comfortably exceeding our target of 1,000 parts, but at the cost of 2 additional machines. Is our increased production worth the cost of 2 machines that are probably going to be expensive capital investments? What if we were to go another route and perhaps add a couple of less expensive buffers to our line? Seeing how easy it is to duplicate our original line and create a quick experiment, we should have no trouble doing that again. We can create a window out of our original line again using Ctrl-C to copy it and then Ctrl-V to paste it in our worksheet. Now we'll move it down into some free space with our worksheet. This time, we need to disconnect some of our objects so that we can insert our buffers. Next, we'll drop in our buffers and get everything connected back into our production line. How did we do this time? Will the buffers be enough? We'll run our simulation again and see what we get. We click the Run button. Now open the drain on our third experiment. Select the type statistics, and there we can see that we are at a throughput of 1,032 parts per day. So we have achieved our target throughput of 1,000 parts per day, but not by a large margin. This might be due to the fact that we have not defined any specific sizing for our buffers. They are currently running at a default capacity of 4.